Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video, and today we've got a small microphone specifically targeted to the iPhone users, the Shure Mv88. Let's go. The innovative design of this little microphone is sure to turn heads while recording audio on your iPhone. It might not be as discreet as other microphones dedicated to smartphones, but the extra material does ensure that the microphone can withstand some heavy regular usage. The $149 microphone does include a windscreen and a headphone adapter inside the box, as well as a carrying case. That does make sense since after finishing recording you can just pop it in the case and throw it in your backpack or camera bag. The Shure Mv88 innovative all-metal design packs 1cm matched cardioid and bidirectional cartridges for best in-class audio while keeping it lightweight at just 40.5 grams. With a bit depth sample rate up to 24 bits or 48 kHz, this portable plug-and-play mobile recording studio can do just about everything, ranging from podcasting, video blogging, field recording, and even live streaming video. It all works through the Shure Mv88 app for your iPhone. Now this app gives you a ton of options to take full advantage of such an amazing device. When launched the app, you're greeted by the input meter that sits at the top, followed by the 4 preset modes: speech, singing, flat, acoustic, and band. Right below that, we've got the microphone headphone gain for monitoring the audio being captured. After that, we have the polar pattern section where we can swipe to choose between stereo, monocardioid, mono bidirectional, or raw mid-side pickup patterns. Next, we have some advanced features such as a limiter, a compressor, left and right swap, and an equalizer. At the bottom of the app, we have the navigator bar to access the microphone setup, record menu, and the recordings window. Now let's put it to the test. One thing I do like about this microphone is the ability to monitor the audio being recorded and there's no delay whatsoever. Now another thing I do like about it is that you can modify the pickup patterns to just pick up the audio you want and leave the non-desirable audio out. As you can hear, it delivers stunning quality, and by the way, this is a non-edited audio file. Now the bad things about this microphone are not that bad. For example, you cannot charge your iPhone and have this microphone plugged in at the same time. And if you're trying to use a stabilizer like my Osmo Mobile, you can just forget about it since it will not balance properly. But how does it perform against other microphones? Let's check it out. Let's just begin with the microphone from the iPhone. Testing. 1, 2, 3. This is an audio test. Now let's check the audio from the Rode Video Micro attached to my Sony a7 III. Testing. 1, 2, 3. This is an audio test. Lastly, let's check the audio from the Shure Mv88. Testing. 1, 2, 3. This is an audio test. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. In my opinion, a decent multi-purpose microphone for your iPhone for a decent price. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.